Hello student, start your online class. I am send 3 chapters question answer, inside question answer and exercise question answer. You are also written that inside question answer and exercise question answer. Now the principal inform the book chapter wise class, then start the book chapter wise class. Then if any doubt, then clear your doubt with phone call me. Then if you see the video, first open your book, then see the video. Okay. Then if you also see the video, don't feel you sit at home, you feel only you sit in the class and I am stand with you and teaching. Then if the video with any mistakes, then you can also rectify. Okay. Then now start the chapters. You also see the video with the book. Then your first lesson is evaluation of computers. Evaluation of computer. Evaluation of computer means how to the developing of computer. Then this chapter contains the 4 main points. One is the history of computer, means how to developing of computer. Second is generation of computer, then different generation, how to change the different components. Then third is a characteristics of computer. Characteristics of computer means what is the main points of computer, then is the limitation of computer. This chapter with this 4 objective we are discussion. Then first we are discussion introduction of the computer. First is the word computer comes from the word compute. Comes from the word compute. Compute means what? To calculate. Okay, see the books. In a books also given compute means to calculate. Okay, computer developed calculator to computer, but the elements no use with the calculator, they are facing of difficult for calculation. Then only used for calculation sticks, stones, bones and fingers for calculation, and facing more of problems for accurate calculation, accurating of calculation, more of difficult facing of calculation. But some years ago the Chinese developed a fast calculating device. The 16th century, some years ago means the 16th century, China was developed a fast calculating device. Either 5000 years ago Chinese that developed first calculating device. That device name is abacus. Okay, first calculating device name is abacus. This abacus consists of this abacus as per your book. Then this abacus consists of 2 parts. One is the upper part, then down is the lower part. Then upper part consists of some beads, then lower part consists of some beads. Okay, this is the some beads. Then upper parts beads value is 5, lower parts beads value is 1. Then using of this beads calculation can perform of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, it can perform 4 arithmetical operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then after China, the Japanese also developed one abacus or calculator. This name is Japanese abacus. After Japanese also Russians are developed one calculating device. That name is Russians abacus. Then first is Chinese abacus, second is Japanese abacus, third is Russian abacus. These are the 3 most popular types of abacus. Okay. Then Suppose one can question, this is the first calculating device, you give the answer, abacus was the first calculating device. Stop करते हैं. The next second calculating device is Napier bones. Then again after 17 years, one Scotland mathematician, John Napier, invented one calculating device in the year of 1617. That name is Napier bones. 1617. The year of 1617, John Napier invented another calculating device. The second calculating device are called Napier bone. But this calculating device also can perform the mathematical operation with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But this device consists of number from 0 to 9 in a table, and moving the numbers from 0 to 9 from up to down and down to up, and can perform with the calculation very easily, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Then again after some years ago, means the 1642, one French mathematician, the Blaise Pascal, invented another calculating device. The name is Pascal's adding machine or Pascaline. Okay, this also consists of 4 wheels, and moving of the wheels then can perform of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division very fastly. It can setting up the number by display when the wheels with a rotated and the wheels are marked in 100, tens and unit, and moving the wheels and calculate very fastly of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division very easily. Okay, after Pascal's calculator, then is the another German mathematician Leibniz. Okay, Leibniz invented another calculating device in the 1617. Okay, in the year of 1617, that device name is Leibniz calculator. It was also can perform of 4 arithmetical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then also it can perform, it was also able to take the square root of a number. It can also another type of calculation can here is perform the square root of a number. Then it was the very fastly calculations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and it can also perform the square root of the number. This is the introduction of or the answer of Leibniz calculator. The next is the 5 number is device is Jacquard loom. Again after Leibniz calculator, another mathematician invented another calculating device is Jacquard loom in the year of 1801. Okay, 1801, Joseph Maria Jacquard, that name is Jacquard loom. This machine also used the punch card, and this punch card with store the data and control the sequence of operation. Means it can data store as well as calculate the sequence of operation. Then it was also fast read only memory machine. There you read only means the data can only read which data set that data can easily read. Then after Jacquard loom, one American mathematician, he is the American mathematician Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage also invented the 2 types of calculating device in the 1823, another calculating device is 1834. The Charles Babbage is also known as father of computer. Charles Babbage, which machine invented, that is the concept of computer, then Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. Suppose you are filling the blanks, Dash is known as father of computer. The answer is Charles Babbage is the known as father of computer. Then he invented two calculating device. One is the difference engine, second is analytical engine. First is the difference engine, second machine name is analytical engine. These two machine invented is the Charles Babbage. Then first is what is a difference engine? The Charles Babbage designed the first automatic calculating machine. It's called difference engine. Okay, Charles Babbage invented one calculating device in the 1823. This machine, okay, automatically calculating is called difference engine. Then this machine could solve the large and complex mathematical problems. This analytical engine can perform arithmetical operations of large and complex mathematical problems. Then again 1834 Charles Babbage invented another calculating device. The name is analytical engine. Analytical engine. Then this analytical engine also can perform very fast the operations of arithmetical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as well as data store. Then it was the first fully programmed digital computer capable of performing the basic arithmetical operation and calculation. It very fast and fully programmed design computer, and it can also performing basic arithmetical and operation as well as calculation. Then it can also data input and perform with the data process and with the display the output. Same concept contained in this analytical engine. It can accept data and process data and display the output. Okay, then these are called input and processing device. Okay, then this machine invented is the Charles Babbage. To Charles Babbage is the known as father of computer. After analytical engine, again one mathematician, Dr. Hermann Hollerith, invented one calculating device in the 1890. This calculating device name is tabulating machine. Tabulating machine. It was the first electronic machine. It is the first electronic machine. This machine is also able to read data, process it, and give the output. This machine can able to read data. Read data means what? To accept the data. Process means to perform of operation. Then give the output. Output means the processing result. Then it was able to read both alphabets and numerical data. Alphabet means what? A to Z. The numerical data means Z to 0 to 9. This type of operation also can perform as the tabulating machine. Then it had a punched card, then to input data, store and record information. This tabulating machine can perform also the input data, store data and record information. This is the function of tabulating machine. But invented is tabulating machine is Hermann Hollerith in the 1890. Okay. Then now is the again another computer name, the Mark I. Okay, Mark I is the first electronic computer. This is the first electronic computer. Mark I. Mark I is the first electronic computer. Then It was not fully electronic computer, but it was designed by the Howard H. Eklund in the 1944. Howard Eklund is the invented is the 1944. This is also first electronic or mechanical computer, electromechanical computer. Then Mark 1 is very big in size, very bigger in size. This computer is the first computer. First computer is the very bigger in size, but now is the reduced the size is less. But first computer is very bigger in size. This computer is require of a very large area and consume of more electricity for running. But not now is that this bigger of size of computer. Okay, Mark 1 is the very big in size with a length of 5150, length of 5150 area, and height is 8 feet. This is very bigger in size. This machine is the height is 8 feet and length is 51 feet. Okay, then its weight is the around of 5 tons and head is 500 millions of watts. These are needed. Then Mark 1 is the marked the beginning of modern computing. It is also called automatic sequence control calculator. Mark 1 computer another name is, or it is also called its automatic sequence control calculator. Okay, next is same type another calculator or computer invented in the 1946. 1946 first computer is Mark 1. Second computer name is ENIAC, electronic numeric integrator and calculator. This short notes or the short answer also I am given to you and you also written in the notebook. Then ENIAC, electronic numeric integrator and calculator. This is a full form of ENIAC. Okay, suppose if you are filling the blanks question in the exam, then you write a full form of ENIAC, electronic numeric integrator and calculator. Okay, then this is invented in 1946. J. Pleasure Eckert invented in the 1946 in USA. Pleasure Eckert invented 1946 in USA. John Muckley and Pleasure Eckert invented in 1946 in USA. This two is the developer of ENIAC. It is also called the first electronic computer or first fully electronic digital computer. Then it is used to decimal digit and consists of 18,000 vacuum tubes to perform of the operation. Then it was the faster and more efficient than the Mark 1. Okay, it is the more efficient than the Mark 1. Same type is another computer is EDSAC. After Mark 1 is the ENIAC. Then Mark 1 computer after. Then another computer device is invented. That name is EDSAC. EDSAC full form is Electronic Daily Storage Automatic Calculator. Okay, this is the full form is Electronic Daily Storage Automatic Calculator. It was also fast storage automatic computer. It was also faster than the ENIAC. But it was invented or developed by the Macris vehicles in the 1949. Then after another computer is UNIVAC. The full form of UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. Universal Automatic Computer. Then it was also first commercial computer to handle both text and numeric data. It can perform with a text operation and numerical operation. It was also developed by John Muklis and Pleasure Eckert in the 1951. Okay, this type of invented of computer, or this history of computer. First is the abacus, second is the Napier bones, third is the Pascalin's calculator, then fourth is the Leibniz calculator, fifth is the Jacquard loom, then after is the two another calculating device, difference engine, analytical engine, then is the tabulating machine, then after the three computer invented, Mark 1, then is the ENISA, EDSSA, UNIVSA. This type of invented of the computer, this are called history of computer. Okay, you also read the books and try to understand, and you write the all full forms. Okay, you read the book and you find the full forms and write this full form in your notebook. The next class again, next Friday again your class. The next Friday again we are read the generation of computer. What is the use of first generation? Then what is the use of second generation? What is the difficulty of second generation? Then what is the use of third generation? What is the use of fourth generation? Then what is the use of fifth generation? That is the used in next class, the next Friday. Okay, then you read full your books history of computer, and your home task is find out all the full form and you write in your notebook. Either if you write, then check that answer you written correct or wrong. Okay, then next class again your Friday, generation of computer.